the Great Blue Hole. A natural created hole that is 1,000 feet wide and 400 feet deep. But why is it there? C, it is what we call a sinkhole. The most common type of sinkhole creation can be described in 3 steps. 1. Slightly acidic rainwater dissolves away rock and makes an air pocket. 2. Eventually, this air pocket will get so big, it will be categorized as a cave. 3. When the ceiling is weak enough, it will collapse and create a sinkhole. Even though it looks kind of bizarre, there is still plenty of life under the surface.